These are the Amazon Basics Hayfever and Allergy tablets that I picked up from Amazon. Now, with all these tablets, they are all pretty generic, to be honest with you. I would never personally buy the main brand if I can help it, unless I'm out and about and stuck. So I'm really happy to have the Amazon ones. The ingredients are going to be the same, and the only really two factors for me that I need to consider is one is value for money per tablet, and also how easy they are to swallow, because sometimes I just take one without any water because I'm out and about and I haven't got a drink. So they're the two things I think about. The Amazon Basics one is, in my opinion, really great value. You get 30 in there, and they're foil wrapped. Of course, there's lots of information in the pack there. Do absolutely read it, heed all your warnings and all those things about appropriateness. And again, on the little cardie inside, just like many, they are foil wrapped. Let's see how easy it is to get out the foil. Pretty easy, very good actually. And again, it is that nice oval, and it also has that line in the middle so you can snap it in half, because not every person needs a full one, depending on your age and how much you need. These are a pack of 30, so in theory, if you're taking one per day, this should last you a month. And it snaps really easy as well, in case you needed to take it like that, or someone else does. So in truth, all the active ingredients are the same. So for me, they're the factors. Is the size and shape good, which these ones are? Is it easy to get out the packaging? They are. And 3, will it be easy to swallow without water? Because I'm unprepared and fly by the seat in my pants. And yes, this one will be easy to swallow. I just took that without any water, barely noticed a thing. So I do think these are a good choice if you want to stock up for summer and brace yourself for the hay fever allergy Armageddon season.